Hello friends, so today we are going to do the perspective of a point as per the conditions mentioned in this question. So let's see what it's talk about. So the question says draw the perspective view of a point A which is situated 20 mm behind the picture plane and 15 mm above the ground plane. The station point is 30 mm in front of the picture plane and 40 mm above the ground plane and lies in a central plane which is 35 mm to the left of the given point. So these are the conditions which are given to us to do the perspective of a point. So let's do. So first what we have to do, we have to start with the demarcation of point A with respect to the picture plane. So let's draw a picture plane. This is the picture plane, and the point A is situated 20 mm behind the picture plane. So let's say this is point A and this is 20 mm. Okay, this is point A. After that it says it is situated 15 mm above the ground plane. So now I have to draw the ground line GL and it says 15 mm. Okay, so it will be situated somewhere on this line, and the station point is 30 mm in front of the picture plane. So this is my 30 mm and it is also situated on this line, and 40 mm above the ground plane, 40 mm above the ground plane. So this is my ground line. So let's say this distance is 40 mm, and so it became the origin line, and it lies in a central plane which is 35 mm to the left of the given point. So to the given point, this is the given point, okay, and 35 to the left. So let's say this distance is the 35. So this is the point which we get. Okay, so this point is basically the position. If you refer the question again, it is the condition for the station point. So this is my station point. Now next what I will do, I will demark the vanishing point. So vanishing point will be demarcated on the origin line. So for that I will draw a perpendicular line to the HL. So this intersection is my vanishing point. Now what I have to do, I have to vanish. The purpose of the vanishing point is to vanish the things. Okay, so for that purpose I will demark the actual position of the point with respect to the ground line. Okay, so I will extend, or I will draw a perpendicular line from point A on. So if you remember, this is the demarcation 15 mm. Okay, so the point somewhere, it lies somewhere here. So what we will do, we will vanish it. Okay, we have vanished it. Now what we have to do, we have to again from a station point to the point with the picture plane, again we have to do an intersection, and where it intersects these points, okay, this point, we have to draw again a perpendicular line to the down, and where it intersects to the vanishing line, this is the actual position of point A in perspective. So this is the solution of this question. I hope you have understood. In case of any query, you can post into the comment box, so I will respond to it. So thank you so much.